Things that we look at many times in our life seem cool, but we never really think more about it and rarely think about the science behind it. Lava lamps work thanks to science, and it really is pretty cool. For the setup of this lab, we had a water bottle with water, which we dyed green with green food dye, oil, and an Alka-Seltzer. When we had the water in the water bottle and then poured the oil in, it rose to the top. The oil was on top of the water since it was less dense or less compact than the water, and this was a suspension. Both of the substances were solvents. When the water and oil were both in the water bottle, it was a heterogeneous mixture. It was heterogeneous since it was easy to separate and not mix together. In order for it to be homogeneous, it would have had to have been able to mix together, but because of the way the oil and water react, they don't, which you can see in this picture. Chemical reaction. So here we have the atomic structure of water, which is 2 hydrogens to 1 oxygen, and we have the atomic structure of the Alka-Seltzer, which is 16 carbon atoms, 17 hydrogen atoms, 1 sodium atom, and 14 oxygen atoms, and these all bond together to create the Alka-Seltzer tablet. This is a compound with elements that have all bonded together. Alka-Seltzer reacts with water, H2O, to form tiny gas bubbles of carbon dioxide. This is what forms the lava lamp effect. The way things react and the way things work is all thanks to science. Because of chemical reactions and the way that elements can bond, things are created. I hope that you learned about how lava lamps work. If you want to create the experiment, go for it. It is super cool, and now that you know the science behind it, it will have a whole new meaning. See you next time.